we already paid for that. We sent them a check. Yeah, okay. Good. Sounds like you guys got it. Ciao. Oh, are you guys ready? Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and I'm going to do a quick synopsis about myself. I'm an actress. I'm a part of the SAG-AFTRA. I have been voting for a lot of the awards and a lot of the films that have gotten released. I am a writer. I've written 15 books and I've wrote 20 movies. But for the 15 books, you can look up one of them. I have Taylor's Perfect Birthday. You can find that on Barnes & Noble, Target, Walmart, eBay, Amazon. Just look it up and you'll find it. Yeah, we're right here at the Lake Minnetonka. I'm also a producer, a director, and I'm going to be directing this film. Our crew and our cast is going to be here tomorrow. We're shooting this tomorrow. IK's already ready to go. He's already been studying his scripts, and we're going to have a lot of fun. I'm offering opportunity for people behind the camera and in front of the camera so that you can get an opportunity to come and do something fun, do something that you may love, may enjoy. Too much off topic, but I was watching the BET Awards recently, and Taraji P. Henson, she's a fantastic actress, and also a good director, but when they let her off the reins, she is off the reins, and that's what they did for BET. But personally, Sean Diddy Combs, Puff Daddy, he did a speech and it didn't really add up, but this has to be one love. It has to be together. The BET Awards is, it's the Black Entertainment Television, and it should be global entertainment for where it's all of us together. We're all doing something. I'm all the different races, and that's how it should be. It should be all of us as one together globally. And that's why with the Vicious Productions, we are bringing all types of races, types of people, anything behind the camera and in front of the camera so that we can be seen and we can represent everyone together as globally as one, because one love. But we will be filming the Personals XYZ scene 2 tomorrow. Oh, actually scene 1 tomorrow. So you'll get a clip of that and we will show you how it looks tomorrow. You guys will get a glimpse of that, but bye.